Hi guys, my name is Spyro and welcome back to another gameplay video. This guy is Sandstorm. Good. So Sandstorm, I'm just gonna go. And if someone like this comes up again, yes I know. Focus on the flippin' fliff. My breath, boy. My boy. Weapons rage. Go. Kill it. There we go. Hopefully it's cracking. Dong! Not much. There we go. And up. Bam! Finally. Ah. Oh, God. I need dunes. Oh, God. Just escape this landscape. I've never came this far. See that road? No. Not gonna be anything there. Just gonna take this easy part. Are you little? God damn it! Oh, sorry that I didn't talk. Sorry, but I was just too concentrated. There we go. Kill those motherfuckers. Oh God, how much do I need to tell you? Stop goddamn reviving yourself. I will kill you. I will do it. And you flare. Your flare will not be no match. There we go. Suck it. Hope you die. Huh. That was a 5-minute long battle. Shit on me. I will stay here. God damn it, I need to get this video done. So, it's 100% on that. So, let's just go. Go, go, go. Please let me go. Let's not make it. I wanna go. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. So, this pretty good. In a hostile land. Yes, we are indeed in hostile land. Be a lot of lepers. Wait, what? That was his best lemon squeezy. Transport. It's war and all. War? Is there a war going on? Oh yeah, brother. Family comes first. Yo. Well, I've been away for a long time because school and all and everything. But this time I'm not gonna do that because I don't wanna and everything. Ho 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 ho. Let's rage all over the place. Oh my God! Holy Jesus! That guy need to go before we die. Die 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 die. We're dead. What? How overpowered are those? What the fuck? Repair now. And upgrade this son of a fucking bitch. Those motherfucking assholes. That motherfucker. We're just gonna have to wrap up this video. God damn it, those guys are overpowered. I'll be right back.